Exercise 4.4, problem number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. Subdivision 3. The problem is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is 2 and b is minus 6 and c is equal to 3. And the discriminant b square minus 4ac, and substituting the data we get minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is 36 minus 24, which is equal to 12, which is greater than 0. Since b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. Now we have to find the roots. So we know the quadratic formula as x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. And on substituting the given data, we get minus of minus 6 plus or minus b square minus 4ac value is 12 whole divided by 2 into 2. So we get it as 6 plus or minus root 12 can be written as 2 root 3 whole divided by 4. We are going to take 2 commonly outside. So in the numerator we get 2 times 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4, and dividing by 2 we get 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. So the two roots are 3 plus root 3 whole divided by 2 and 3 minus root 3 whole divided by 2.